Wait, let it focus. Do it again.
I'm taking this.
This is so weird.
I'm taking
This
this.
is the weirdest.
This isn't. Oh, it's broken.
Oh.
That sucks.
That's a masher thing.
Damn, no, it's an immersion blender. It's even better. Pretty as artichokes over here.
Cheese.
Wait, you can buy.
He was wagging his tail earlier. Oh, that's the cutest. He literally just wants to eat.
That one looks gas. Is there cheese on there though, please? Looks like it, right?
Where could you put cheese? I think it is.
Let's do yeah, for 4 people.
I might take a picture of that.
Come on, can you like step back? Your shadow is big. Oh. Last plane song I have is forgotten actually. Fantastic. Then next with an act. That looks amazing.
I can't wait to film our haul. Yay! Oh my god.
And then I don't remember. Oh, those are the tomatoes.
Yeah, we did well. It's popcorn.
Oh, where are we going? We're gonna go to Cuomo today. We're taking trains, and I've actually never been on a train before in my life. So, pumped up for that. We're gonna be staying in a villa, in an Airbnb, and we're about to take out the garbage in our current apartment so that we can go without leaving. Anything to say, Erin?
I can't find my damn phone. Oh, it's right there. Anyway, now I'm just so excited to go to Lake Como. I'm just excited.
Erin's big day. Tell them what we're doing.
What? Can we do this in like 10 minutes when I wake up more?
Okay, our train's 13 minutes away. Oh my god, that's so exciting. Yeah. First train station I've ever been to, and this is the first European train I've ever seen, and I feel like Tyler, what are your thoughts on the train? Wow. Kobe? We're on the train.
Already. Train is going approximately
Maybe like
15 miles an hour right now. And
it's gonna go like 500.
Julia already has a queasy belly.
Just like move your foot that way a little bit. Like that was good timing, sis.
That's what the survival also made. Alright, this looks good. Well, I want number one.
It's so lonely. There's nothing.
Hi, Julian's vlog.
Hey, Erin.
We are in Colico.
I need a taxi.
Yeah, we do.
The
example, the name of the Wi-Fi and the passport. Okay.
Oh my god. I have decided to sleep on a couch. We have enough beds, but I decided to sleep on a couch because look at the view. Every morning. Wait, that's ours? Hey hippies. It has 111. That's a angel number.
Butter pasta.
Maybe sucking the head.
By hand.
Yeah.
My restaurant?
You didn't have to say those words.
He has a house.
You walk out.
Hey, give a little tour.
My dad has it all the time up there.
It's
blueberry flavored. It's my friend made it.
Yeah.
This looks like a ride at Disney World. Like, I just don't.
I know, Mount Everest, bro.
I don't feel like. I don't feel like any of this.
This is all me. Not the cooking show.
Everything? For like vintage, like old Barbie memorabilia. God, no. So like Barbie.
Hi, Grandma.
Hi guys, this is the vlog.
Oh my gosh, more dogs with jackets. Oh look, he's over there.
Oh, where'd it go?
So, in a few minutes, we're about to leave and meet up with Annabelle, who was our yoga teacher this morning, and go jump in the water. Okay, now it's just. Hey guys! Welcome back to the YouTube channel! Whoa, that was so good! Nice!
Hi, I'm Annabelle, and I love you.
Oh, I love you too! We met Annabelle because I was taking a picture of her license plate, and she heard American Voices. And so, here we are.
And she's our angel number.
She is. I am.
I want the goat cheese one. I will. This? I'll plug it around front.
It's around, like you, yeah.
Julia.
Yep.
Which whoever's carrying the car, go for it. I don't like. I don't want it. I don't know. Hello. If I can just pop it in the side pouch of my backpack, I would do that. You can. Yeah, it'll fit.
I'm ready for this.
Why are you allowed to say things like that? But you yell at me the second I say something about Shrek's kids.
Is it cute oversized or like that oversized?
Bad oversized.
Noted. See. See it still.
And pose. Thumbnail. Oh my.
Oh.
Period. Period. Odo Regina. Oh, we're getting somewhere.